Hello again and welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English, and today we're going to look at adjectives. Adjectives that end in ing and ed. In English there are lots of adjectives that end in ing and ed. For example, boring and bored. Listen to this little story. Judy has been doing the same job for a long time. She does the same thing day after day. She doesn't enjoy her job anymore and would like to do something different. Judy is bored with her job. Judy's job is boring. If something is boring, you get bored with it. So, Judy is bored because her job is boring. Judy's job is boring, so she is bored. Remember, if a person is boring, this means they make other people feel bored. For example, John always talks about the same thing over and over again. John is really boring. Here are some other examples. It was surprising that he passed the exam. It was surprising that he passed the exam. Everybody was surprised that he passed the exam. Everybody was surprised that he passed the exam. The film was disappointing. The film was disappointing. We were disappointed with the film. We were disappointed with the film. And the last two, the news was shocking. I was shocked by the news. Adjectives in English ending in ing and ed, easy peasy. Uncle Geoff's students are always interested in his lessons. Why? Because Uncle Geoff's lessons are always interesting. Thank you for watching. Tell your friends, and we'll see you next time on a very interesting Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.